I'm just going to tell you there was no ready-made closure. Want to know how this was achieved? Stick around. The genesis of any fixed hair begins from the braiding aspect. This particular hair is a natural hair, but it's actually so soft and very easy to comb through. The technique I used to achieve my closure was from the braiding aspect, parting the hair into two halves and deciding where my side parting is going to be. I began parting. Since this hair is going to be under a weave for a while, locking some moisture or applying some moisturizing product was very important for me, which was what I was doing. I added this TCB leave-in treatment for some moisture and shine. All along during this place, I was doing the normal sew-in process for a side parting, just sewing round and round. Basically, what I'm showing you in this video. Now to one of the main reasons why you clicked, the closure. Can you see the braiding I did in the front? So that's the braiding I was doing earlier, where I braided two straight braids down, straight, not facing each other. I braided it straight down. Then that's where it comes in this place. The weave on that is left is then sewed from the braids, the remaining braids, just like you can see in the other side. The remaining braids sewn from the first strand to the one in the middle, to the one that has two, that is interlocked at towards the end. So seeing how I'm sewing it right now, it's basically that you go back and forth for a perfect sewing.
Maybe right now your journey isn't about love. Maybe right now your journey is about you. Maybe this is a season you're being challenged to be your own savior, to be your own safe place. Maybe right now you're being reminded that the people who walked away were only ever leading you back to yourself, were only ever leading you here. And here, you're okay on your own. You're rebuilding. Here, you're adapting and mending and reclaiming all of the pieces you let them walk away with. Here, you are being kinder to your soul. You are giving yourself the same kind of love you have always given to others. Here, you are not rushing your heart. You are not depending on another human being to fix it. Instead, here, you are doing that on your own.
This side gives a clearer picture of how this closure was achieved by showing a better view of how the back and forth was done. Another important thing to note is that for this closure, the weave was not doubled, as you might have decided to either double or make sure it was a single while sewing the other half. I go ahead to fold the weave and sew it. I go ahead to fold once or twice, then sew with needle and thread. You can also decide to use gum. Gum seems to be easier and faster once you know how to use it. So I keep rolling the weave in circles, then sewing it, roll in weave circles, then sew it till I was satisfied with what I was rolling. And you want it to be equivalent to whatever space you have left on the hair or in the middle of the hair. Having done that, you press the middle, you create the middle and comb it out. You can go ahead to flat iron the middle so it's not like bulky, but you create the middle and press it out. And go ahead to just sew the weft of the rolled and sewed hair to the part that was remaining on the hair. Don't forget to like this video, share if you think someone else will learn from it, and subscribe. I felt that the hair needed a little bit of trimming at the back, so I went ahead to trim it a little. I didn't go wild with the trimming. I went ahead to apply a product that will bring out the curls. You can use any leave-in treatment or conditioner you have. In this case, I used the popular Petals product. It is also known as the pink oil. If you go to the market and you say I want to buy pink oil, Petals, they kind of know what you're talking about. So it's the Petals pink oil I used. At this point, I hope you've gained 2 or 3 things and you've enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Drop any questions you have in the comment section. Oyana, see you in my next video. Bye.